How to use the Cambio Height Adjustable Desk Handset. Using your Cambio handset is easy. When the system is powered on, you will hear a beep. The existing desktop height will be displayed. To elevate the desktop, press the up arrow button. Do not release the button until your desktop reaches the desired height. To lower the desktop, press the down arrow button. Do not release the button until your desktop reaches the desired height. You can store up to 3 of your favorite height settings in the system's memory. First, adjust your desk to the desired height. Press M. The letter S will be displayed. Now, press 1, 2, or 3 within 5 seconds to store the current desktop height. Repeat these steps for the remaining 2 memory settings if desired. For an added level of safety, you can lock your screen so the desk height cannot be modified. To lock the screen, press M for 3 seconds. The display will show dashes. The screen is now locked. To unlock, press M for 3 seconds and the display will show the current height. The screen is now unlocked. You can set a timer to remind yourself to alternate between sitting and standing. To set the timer, press T. The display will flash 0.5H, which means a half hour. Press the T repetitively to increase the time by half-hour increments. The maximum timer setting is 2 hours. The timer is set when the digit stops flashing and the light in the top right corner of the display is on. When the timer has reached the set time, a beep will sound to alert you to adjust your desktop position. The timer will turn off automatically after 5 beeps. To deactivate the timer, press the T until the light in the upper right corner turns off and the current height is displayed. You can change the measurement shown on the handset from inches to centimeters. Simply press T for 8 seconds. After the beep sounds once, the system is reset. To switch back, press T for 8 seconds. After the beep sounds twice, the measurement is reset. When no actions are made for over 10 minutes, the system will enter power saving mode. Touch any button to enter operation mode. Enjoy your new Cambio Height Adjustable Desk from Fellows.